Hello guys, welcome back to AppSheet tutorial. So in this video, we're going to see about how to fetch the bottom of the list items. So for example, uh, if you see, if you see this top, so we have a function called top in AppSheet, but top what it does means, so it will fetch the first sequence of the list. For example, if you see this is three items, red, yellow, green. So if we use two, it will give the first two items, right? Right. So this is a red, yellow. So same like way, if you can sort and you can find it will give, but we don't have a function called bottom kind of thing in AppSheet. But here we're going to see one trick how we can fetch the bottom of the list. So if you're new to this channel, just subscribe and hit the bell icon. And in our last video, we see the top function how we have used in the top of it. I have given in the up link, so you can check it out. So now we'll see how to trick to get the bottom of the list. So with a practical demo, let's get started. So for this, I'm going to use this city name. So here we have five city names. But if you want to use the last two from the list, so this is a list, right? So this Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai is a five-item list. But if I use top like three or two means we can get this top of the list. But if you want to fetch only last two of the items, I'll show you how to do this. So we are going to, we have already created a customer form which we are fetching the city from this sheet called cities. So you can check out the AppSheet expressions playlist to learn about the important expressions. We have covered almost everything, basics to, and if we add here, now if you see the city, this is coming Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata. So all of the list is coming. I'll just change okay, to so I have used the formula in the suggested values. So city is city name, right? So if we use top, like I was just on top of the three, then I'll just save. So if you see, I have used the function top of tree, right? So which will give the first three items, right? So oops, something function Bangalore. Okay, so since it's in from suggested values, it is showing unnecessary data also, which means not unnecessary data. Actually, we have stored for this person Chennai, Bangalore. So if you see the customer data is, so we have stored already Chennai, Bangalore. So since it's a suggested value, it is showing the additional data also, like an optional expression with a list of suggested values for this column. So since we have already saved this other two value, AppSheet thinking that also a list of values is suggested. Say it's a new value. So we just delete out the previous one. Okay. If you don't want to show the other additional values, you can just simply use this expression suggested values in the data validity. So if you use the data validity validate the same condition, so you will get only the expression values. You don't get the data values which is already in the spreadsheet. So now we have deleted, so we won't get the additional suggested values. So we'll get only the top two. But what if guys, if we want, so if you see the cities, we just want last two. So here's the trick. I'll show you. What we're going to do is, so just copy this. So this is the list of all city names. I'm going to subtract. Sorry, guys, I forgot to put silent. Okay. Yeah, now it's silent by mobile. Sorry. So this is all of the five items, which means all five cities. If we're going to subtract, so we want only these two, right? So we'll just use the, so whatever, I'm just going to subtract the unnecessary value, which means, so I'm going to use the count function, which we're going to count this value, count of city's name. So this will give 5, right? But you want last two, which means last two means Mumbai Kolkata. So which means we're going to fetch all the list of city names, and we are going to fetch the top three. So this count of city names will give the list of 5. So if you want, if what if they have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 list, so this count will work as dynamically, and the last two items we need, right? So it will 5 minus 2, which will be 3. So it will give the top 3 cities, and we are subtracting with the final value. Okay, final 5 cities. So if you say, so now we click cities, Mumbai, Kolkata, which is the last two one. Okay, so in this way, by subtracting the list, we're going to achieve the bottom of by it's a simple trick. Yes. Okay. Okay, so if you have any doubts, just leave a comment. Thanks for watching. So in our next video, we're going to see about functions called and, any, or, and arithmetic absolute value, which is a math function we're going to see. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye bye.